Hello children, I hope everyone are fit and fine. Stay home, stay safe.
Freedom Fighters of Tamil Nadu, Unit 1, 3rd Standard, Social Science. A little girl dressed up as Bharatiyar comes to her mother with a certificate in her hand. Mom, I'm so happy. I won the first prize in the fancy dress competition today. Very good. I'm proud of you, Meena. Thank you. How was the Independence Day celebrated in your school? It went very well. My teachers appreciated me for my speech as Bharatiyar. Well done. I missed your performance as Bharatiyar. Don't worry, I will enact again. Sure. Meena enacts. I am Subramanya Bharati. I am a poet and a freedom fighter of Tamil Nadu. I was born in a village called Ettayapuram in Tirunelveli district. I started writing poems at the age of 7. My poems are patriotic and it is all about gender equality and women empowerment. I worked as a teacher. Then I became the assistant editor of Swadeshamitran newspaper in 1904. I also met Mahatma Gandhi in 1919. I worked with many Tamil leaders like V.O. Chidambaram and Subramanya Siva. My poems Vande Mataram, Acham Illai, Entiyom Thayum and Jaya Bharatam motivated people to join the freedom struggle movement. Thank you. Excellent, Meena. You spoke very well. Bharati was indeed a great freedom fighter, and one can't forget his contribution for the freedom struggle. True, I also learned about other freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu today. Oh, is it? Tell me what you learned. The title Bharati, a name of the goddess of knowledge, was conferred upon him at the age of 11 by the court of Ettaipuram for his ability to compose poems on any subject at any moment. One of my friends dressed up as V.O. Chidambaram. V.O. Chidambaram was also called as Kappalotiya Tamilan. Yes, he was born in Tuticorin. He was a lawyer and was also a good orator. He took part in the Indian independence movement. Meena, did you know that V.O. Chidambaram started the first Indian shipping company? It was called Swadeshi Shipping Company. Yes, Mom. V.O. Chidambaram gained popularity. Many people started to follow him, which worried the British people. Hence, the British sent V.O. Chidambaram to jail. Vallinayagan Ulagattan Chidambaram, known as V.O. Chidambaram, started the Swadeshi steam shipping between Tuticorin and Colombo against British ships. You are right. Though he was in the jail, he continued to fight for India's independence. His patriotism inspires many people even today. Yes, ma'am, Mom. Then I learned about Champakaraman. He was born in Tuticorin. Yes, during his school days, he met a British biologist, Sir Walter Strickland. He took him to Austria Champakaraman completed his schooling in Austria. Though he grew up in a foreign land, he was still very patriotic. That's right. Champakaraman established organization called International Pro-India Committee at Zurich before the outbreak of the World War I. During the war, Champakaraman intensified his revolutionary ideologies. He also joined the Indian Independence Committee in Berlin. My teacher told that he coined the slogan Jai Hind, which is used till today. Yes. Then I learnt about Subramanya Siva. He was a freedom fighter and a creative writer. Yes, Mom. He was born in Dindigul and was very passionate about Tamil. Subramanya Siva started a monthly newspaper called Gyanabanu. He wrote many books, namely Ramanuja Vichayam, Sankara Vichayam, and so on. He inspired many young people to join the freedom movement. This angered the British and they sent him to jail. Even though he was in the jail, he continued his work for the freedom movement. Oh, really? Did you learn about Tirupur Kumaran? Of course, he was born in Tirupur. During his young age, he actively involved himself in the freedom movement. Yes, Meena. He started Desabandhu Youth Association. It inspired many young people of Tamil Nadu to take part in the freedom struggle. During the protest against the British, he died holding the national flag of India. He is also called as Kodikata Kumaran. You are right. I am very much inspired after knowing all these freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Yes, their patriotism towards India and the contribution to independence can never be forgotten. They inspire and motivate us to be better citizens and serve our country. You are right.